Hello student, myself Digan Sakhewala, I am your science sir. Today we will continue chapter number 4, structure of atom. Dear student, we are going to learn about the isotopes and the isobar. So we will start. Isotopes. In nature, a number of atoms, some elements have been identified which have same atomic number but different atomic mass are called the isotopes. So dear student, only remember that isotopes are of same element. Their atomic number are same, means proton and electrons are same, but atomic mass is different because of what? Different number of neutrons. Okay. Example: protium 1H1, deuterium 1H2, or it is also called D. Tritium is 1H3, or it is also called the capital T. Dear student, protium 1H1 is also called the normal hydrogen, in that one proton and one electron is present, neutron is not present. Whereas in the case of the deuterium, you can see that one proton, one electron and one neutron is present, so mass is become a 2 and it is represented by capital T. In the case of tritium, we can see that one proton, one electron and two neutrons are present, and so the mass is become a 3 and it is represented by capital T. In all these cases, you can see that atomic number is same, all are having one proton and one electron, but their atomic masses are different because of what? Number of neutron. In the normal hydrogen, neutron is absent. The atomic number of the each one is 1, but the mass number is 1, 2, 3 respectively. Other such examples are carbon 612, carbon 614. Carbon 612, in that 6 proton, 6 electron is present, whereas we can see that 6 neutron is present. How we can find the number of neutron? Atomic mass minus atomic number. So 12 minus 6, so 6 neutron is present. Same way, carbon 614, in that 6 proton and 6 electron is present, but 8 neutron is present. How? 14 minus 6 is 8. So both are having same atomic number 6, but their atomic mass are different, so they are called the isotope. Same way we have chlorine 1735 and chlorine 1737. Chlorine 1735, in that 17 proton, 17 electron and 18 neutron are present. How we can find? 35 minus 17, so we get 18 neutron. But in this chlorine, 17 protons, 17 electrons are present, but number of neutrons are 20, and because of that reason their weight is what? 35 and 37. Okay, 35 and 37, so they are called the isotopes. The chemical property of isotope are similar, but their physical properties are different. There we can say that chemical properties are same because they are made up of same kind of atoms or element, but their physical properties are different because their masses are different. Chlorine occur in the two form: chlorine 1735, chlorine 37, with the masses 35 and 37 unit in 3:1 ratio. Now dear students, suppose we think about in one class 35.5 students are possible? No, in one class 35.5 students are not possible. Or we can say that in the one class 60.5 students are possible? No, it is not possible. Same way, in the atom, number of proton, neutron and electron are the integer value, they are not in the decimal value. So 35.5 weight of the chlorine is not possible in general sense, but when we take the average of the weight of the chlorine 35 and 37, then it will come what? 35.5. So why the weight of the chlorine is 30.5.5? Because chlorine 35 and 37 is available in the nature in the 3:1 ratio. So when we find out the ratio, then we get the average mass of the chlorine is 35.5. The average atomic mass of chlorine 35 into 75 divided by 100, it is a 75%. So 75 into divided by 100 plus 37 into 25 divided by 100. So other isotope is available 25%. One is available 75%, other is available 25%. If we take the average, then ultimately what we are getting? We are getting 35.5 units. So weight of the chlorine, atomic mass of the chlorine is 35.5 unit. If an atom has no isotope, then the mass of the atom would be A equals to number of proton plus number of neutron. Okay, so if an atom has no isotope, means single is present, at that time we will measure the weight of atom by counting the number of proton and number of neutron. No need to take the average mass of the atom. This does not mean that on any one atom of chlorine has fractional mass of 35.5 unit, but it is the average mass. So it is what? Average mass. Application: some isotope have the special property. An isotope of uranium used as a fuel in the nuclear reactor. So uranium has two isotopes, uranium-235 and 237. In that, one uranium is used as a fuel in the nuclear reactor to make the nuclear bomb or to produce the nuclear electricity. Okay. An isotope of cobalt is used in the treatment of cancer. So we can say that cobalt, when you write capital C and capital O, then that is called carbon monoxide. Whenever you represent the cobalt by capital C and the small o, then it is called cobalt, and it is the isotope of cobalt is used in the treatment of what? Cancer. An isotope of iodine is used in the treatment of goiter. Okay, so iodine isotope is used in the treatment of what? Goiter. Now dear student, we are going to learn about the isobar. Okay, atoms of different element with the different atomic number which have same atomic mass number are known as isobar. Two words in that you have to concentrate: different element. Isobar in that different elements are there, whereas isotope in that same elements are there. Isobar in that different element with the different atomic number. Okay, their atomic numbers are same, but what is that this different element has the same atomic mass are known as the isotope. We can check about what? Calcium and argon. Calcium atomic mass is 40, argon atomic mass is also 40. They are different, atomic mass are same, but atomic numbers are different. Atomic number of calcium is 20 and the atomic number of argon is 18. We can say that protons are 20 in the case of calcium, electron is also 20 and neutron is 20. And in the argon, the proton is 18, electrons are 18 and number of neutrons are 22. How we can find 40 minus 18? We get 22. So like that we can say that isobars are those which are from the different atom. Then also their atomic mass are same, but the atomic mass are same, but atomic numbers are different. They are called the isobar. Okay, so dear student, today we learn about the isotopes and isobar. Thank you so much.